Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Market Structure Analysis with me, James Pakion, and you're watching Pakion FX. Guys, I am super excited about this currency pair. It has been respecting all our analysis since the last video that we posted. And actually, if you remember, if you guys checked that video out, we were looking on the weekly time frame. We actually noticed a formation of a beautiful candlestick pattern, which is usually an assured that we will probably get opportunities to make trades, and that is the head and shoulder formation. So here you can see we have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder that was actually forming around this place. So if I remember correctly, we were actually looking at the currency pair while it was around this place here, and we were actually expecting once it retested this particular area, which is actually a confluence between this trend line and this particular zone, that we will probably get some momentum to the downside. And yes, that's exactly what happened. So let's just go down to the daily time frame so that we can see how the currency pair has been behaving. And yeah, so actually when we noticed that we had formed the highest high around this area, we definitely pulled up our Fibonacci's. As you guys know, we usually use our Fibonacci's to identify when and where to take particular trades. So as you can see right here, after this reaction we went all the way. So this is the lowest low that we've actually recorded, and this is the highest high. So definitely we will just draw our Fibonacci tool from here all the way to this place. And as you can see, actually this currency pair has been reacting to these certain levels. And yeah, so let's just go down to the 4-hour time frame so that I can show you guys what happened last week. So yes, during last week here, we actually had a particular range that had formed here. So this currency pair had failed to break level 0.236 on our Fibonacci, and it actually retested it multiple times, forming a sort of range. Let me just show you how it looked like. So yes, so this is the particular range that we were observing, as you can see. So the currency pair kept moving within this range. It just kept retesting and moving along this range until finally there was this very huge momentum, which then told, or rather just gave us confirmation that this currency pair will probably break to the downside. As you know, when you're trading ranges, whichever the direction the market is going to break out, then that's definitely the side that you're going to be trying to see where to take trades. So this particular currency pair broke to the lower side, and we actually started to see how the currency pair was actually reacting to this level 0.236. So let's just delete this and I'll show you what I was seeing in the markets at that particular time. So when the currency pair finally broke out and closed below level 0.236 on our Fibonacci, what I was waiting for, if you can remember guys, in our previous video I said we'll probably have a retest and then have a continuation movement to the downside towards level 0.318, if I'm not wrong, rather 0.382, sorry about that. So yeah, so once we finally broke out and we closed below this particular area, we just waited for this retest, and it actually came. So it actually retested once, twice, 3 times before finally falling down to the downside. And as you can see here, we had this momentum to the downside. So actually we had planned that our trade, this is what we had actually waited for. So when we drew our pattern here to see how our risk reward ratio, so we drew our tool right there, and let's just drag this down all the way down here. Yeah, so that was a very good risk to reward ratio of 1:4.33. and yeah, so once we retested this point, as you can see, the currency pair did go up but never went close to our stop loss. So it continued to move downwards, and actually today, and I think yesterday as well, we have witnessed this movement right here, and then it came back, retested another area right here, which is actually sort of a level that was retested multiple times, as you can see here, here, here. So we did expect the currency pair to have some sort of reaction to that particular point as well. So as you can see, it broke down, retested, and continued to move downwards. So currently this is where we are at, and this is what I'm seeing the currency pair doing. I'm seeing it reacting around this area 0.382, probably going lower to this particular area of interest right here. Probably what I see the currency pair doing is that it will break below this level, it will come to this particular area, and will probably find momentum to the upside, either back to level 0.236, or will move towards or won't have to go towards the upside, probably come to this place and continue to move downwards. If it breaks and closes below this particular area of interest, then we could be looking for even lower sells towards this area 0.50. But if it doesn't, and I suspect it will not, we are looking to have a strong reaction, major reaction around this particular area. So this is where we'll be looking. This is where we'll be looking to take our trades for this week, because we've already seen how the currency pair has been reacting around here, actually giving us plenty of good opportunities to enter the market. But let's just have our focus around this area and see whether we are going to shoot back to level 0.236 or continue to go lower. So that's our analysis for this particular currency pair for this week. I really hope that these videos have been helpful to you guys, making your analysis better. And yeah, keep it locked for more similar content, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one.